I'm going to show you my favorite tricks about the Pfaff Admire Air 5000 serger after threading it. Right now, all the threads are loose. There's not that little chain that is normally seen after you start to serge. So what are things that you're looking for? So on this serger, it is actually so easy. I have put it through tests after tests, and it works every single time. Normally, I have to tell people, now be careful of this and do this just in the right order. This serger doesn't care. So I'm going to just put the presser foot down. I've got 2 threads coming out my needles. I've got an upper looper coming out here. I've got my lower looper dropping down on the loose on the inside of the serger. I like to take my fabric when I test it and fold it in half. And you'll always see me serging off the fold so I can even check it out on the inside when I'm done. Take your fabric, put it right up against the foot. The foot is down, or you could lift it up a little bit, but most of the time my foot's down. I'm going to put my fabric right there, and I am full speed ahead. If my stitch length needs a little adjusting, I'm going to lengthen that out, and we see that everything is going through. And you can actually cut the thread 2 ways. First, you can bring it around and continue to run the serger and use the knife that's going up and down here for a cutter. Or you can run it through, run a little tail out the back about 3 inches, and there's a cutter on this side, which I just bring my fabric from the back towards me and cut the thread. Both will work great. We have a beautiful stitch and a nice balanced 4-thread overlock when we're done. I've got quality thread in the serger, and my tensions are all set at 3. Everything is balanced to normal.